Hi. Hello guys. So I'm standing in Beijing South Station, and we would be going to Nanjing. So from Beijing to Nanjing is like 1,000 kilometers more or less, and it takes 4 hours. I've traveled bullet train many times, and I like it all the time. The living facility of Nanjing is very beautiful and clean, and any Chinese city can beat any parts of the world in terms of clean lines. And I have been to Japan, and I believe China is cleaner than and newer than Japan. The nature in Nanjing is very beautiful. It's like a heaven of mustard flowers bloomed everywhere. It has many old temples and riverboat cruising, lakes and gardens. Historically, Nanjing is very important for China, as it was the first capital of China and very important for the past war and massacres. We've been to the city centers, downtowns, and museums, including war memorials. Many people died in war. Nanjing keeps a very special importance in Chinese history. Nanjing is located at the Yangtze River Delta. This river is gigantic and a former hub of ancient trade from China to the world. Now we are heading towards Yangzhou, and we are passing through one of the largest Yangtze River deltas on earth. The Chinese government invested billions in infrastructure, and in Yangzhou we are now in a pottery class. This pottery teapot culture represents China, as it is made of very special ingredients, and thus its color lasts thousands of years. Later, we went to Qinghai riverboat tour next to Fuji Miao. Fuji Miao is also known as the Confucius Temple in Nanjing, and a hotspot for tourists. Now it's party time, and I am really honored to be sitting with my saintly and great
kindest supervisor, one of the wisest and generous men I have ever seen in my life. And I was lucky that I could drink a little bit of mutao. Mutao is a Chinese drink. I drank a little, but I was conscious. It was a Western fast food dinner, perhaps sponsored by Nanjing Silicon Valley of the Nanjing government. We all enjoyed a lot, gossiped a lot, had a really great time. Nanjing is very colorful, beautiful, with mustard tree flower all around. Thanks to my professor and the Beijing Normal University.